Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing groceries and juicing. So I thought, why not film the whole thing and show you the products that I get to make my juices that everyone loves, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Now, just a little disclaimer, by no means am I a nutritionist. I just have done my research on this topic and I just want to share my knowledge with you. So I'm back from the grocery store. I'm just going to unpack all of these bags and all of these goodies, and we're gonna cut everything up and then start juicing. So I use about 1/3 of the cucumber, but today I'm just gonna use half of it. I'm just gonna put the other side aside so we can use it for next time. Celery is really good for you. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals. I also do choose celery by itself in some juices. I don't mind the taste. Some people don't like the taste, but I don't mind it. I don't like using these type of apples. I like green apples, but I had these here and I just didn't want it to go bad, so I'm gonna be using this one instead of the green one. I use about 2 apples. And these juices, I make enough to last me for about 2 to 3 days. After that, it doesn't taste the same, and I don't want it to lose its vitamins and stuff. So, and at the end, I just like to use lemon. I don't actually put this on the whole container. I just like to add it when I'm getting ready to drink it. Ginger is really good for you, and it's been around for many years. And it's said to be good for your blood pressure, for cholesterol. It's actually anti-inflammatory, and it's also good for your digestion. I'm not gonna go into depth of everything and what it does, because otherwise this video is gonna be way too long, but it's really good for you. Now, don't put too much. I would say just start by putting a little bit, because it can get a little spicy. So just add it, or just add it to taste. And the pineapple, I cut this into 4, so I just use like 1/4 for my pitcher. Sometimes I just buy the pineapple already cut, because it saves you a lot of time. But I didn't see it at the store, so I just bought a whole one. And last but not least, I have spinach. Now, if you don't like spinach, you can also use kale. For today, I'm just gonna use spinach. And the last ingredients is chia seeds. And this is really good for your immune system, for weight loss, and for your colon. So I add this to my glass, not to the whole thing, not to the whole container, but just to my glass when I get ready to drink my juice. Whatever I have left, I just put aside for next time I juice. So I'm gonna be putting this away. So here's everything already cut up, and now it's time to juice. So this is the machine that I've been using for the past 7 years. It's actually been great. Here's a brand. I'll try to find a link and post it in the comment box. But I really like this one, and the reason why is that it separates the juice. It goes here, and then the fiber goes here. Now, at times I do use my magic bullet, but what I don't like about that one is that it mixes everything. So that's the reason that I like this one. Now, the one thing that I don't like about this one is that it takes me a while to clean it up, because it has different components. It has this part, this one, and it has the extractor inside, and then this part, this one actually comes off. So it takes a little bit of time to clean up, but nothing beats that healthy lifestyle. So I'm gonna start with ginger, just because I like ginger. I don't mind the little spice. And then we're going to add the spinach. And I always create this mess every time I make it. The spinach goes everywhere. Now what I like to do is I like to try a little bit before I stop juicing, and if it's too sweet, I'll add more celery and spinach. If it's too sour, I would add pineapple, of course. So let's just try a little bit. It's actually perfect. Now as you can see, the juice came out through here. Still have spinach left. And this is all the fiber that comes out of all the product. As you can see, it's all here. And you're just drinking the pure juice. Now we're done juicing, so it's time to try it. I like to shake it up a little bit because it just creates that top part. Use half of the lime. And we're going to add some chia seeds. Now chia seeds don't really taste like anything, so I don't mind putting a lot. Pure vitamin. It's so good. I love it. I get so excited to make these juices. I really do. I really enjoy it. The reason why I started making these green juices is because I don't really love to eat my veggies, so I thought what a better way to just juice it up and drink it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you share your recipes when it comes to juicing with me. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on my next one.